Welcome to our Java programming series. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the fundamental concepts of object-oriented programming, inheritance. Specifically, we'll explore how to extend classes in Java to create powerful and efficient code. So, let's get started. 1. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a key feature of object-oriented programming that allows a new class to inherit properties and methods from an existing class. This promotes code reusability and helps in creating a hierarchical relationship between classes. 2. Extending classes in Java. Syntax in Java, extending a class is achieved using the extends keyword. Let's look at an example. Java class animal, void eat, system. Out. Print animal is eating, class dog extends animal, void bark, system. Out. Print dog is barking. Here, the dog class extends the animal class, inheriting its eat method. 3. Overriding methods. Sometimes, we might want to provide a different implementation of a method in the subclass. This is known as method overriding. Let's see an example. Java class animal, void sound, system. Out. Print animal makes a sound, class dog extends animal, void sound, system. Out. Print dog barks. In this example, the sound method in the dog class overrides the sound method in the animal class. 4. Using super keyword. The super keyword in Java is used to refer to the immediate parent class object. This is useful when we want to call a method from the superclass. Let's illustrate this with an example. Java class animal, void eat, system. Out. Print animal is eating, class dog extends animal, void eat, super. Eat, / call the eat method of the superclass system. Out. Print dog is eating. Here, super. Eat calls the eat method of the superclass before executing the code in the eat method of the dog class. 5. Code example, inheritance in practice. Now, let's put everything we've learned into practice with a real-world example. Suppose we have a shape class representing geometric shapes, and we want to create subclasses for specific shapes like circle and rectangle. Java class shape, void draw, system. Out. Print drawing a shape, class circle extends shape, void draw, system. Out. Print drawing a circle, class rectangle extends shape, void draw, system. Out. Print drawing a rectangle. By extending the shape class, both circle and rectangle inherit the draw method, allowing us to create different shapes easily. Inheritance in Java is a powerful mechanism for code reuse and creating hierarchical relationships between classes. By extending classes, we can build upon existing functionality and create more specialized classes. We've covered the syntax of extending classes, method overriding, and using the super keyword. Now, go ahead and experiment with inheritance in your Java projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.